Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change the lock screen clock on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In order to customize the clock that we have in the lock screen, we need to press and hold our finger on an empty space for a couple of seconds, and then we will enter the edit mode. Now over here, in order to change the clock, we need to tap on the clock. Here we can completely disable the clock if you want to. We have a simple one, we have the default one, and some other clocks as well. We even have the calendar if needed. And once you choose your clock, then you can also change the font at the top over here. We can change the color at the bottom, and in addition to that, we can also enable the information about the weather. And that's pretty much it. You can simply tap anywhere outside in order to close that window, and you can press done in order to save the changes. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.